Hi, it's Annie again. I just wanted to reach out and say thank you again for getting my book. By now you should have received it. Hopefully you've had some time maybe to read it. I just wanted to offer something up for you too. You know, I'm a realtor in the Bay Area of California, and if you are in this position, you know, helping a loved one, and whether they're downsizing or you're selling an inherited property, I would be happy to give you a document with my favorite resources, the companies and small businesses that I work with the most in this, you know, in these scenarios. And I'd be happy to share that with you for free. If you just want to email me, fill out the form, that would be great. And if you're not in the Bay Area, still reach out to me and say you want this information, because again, I have contacts in so many different states and different areas that can help with that too. And I have a lot of their documents. Let me know if there's anything else I can help with, but I would love to get this free resource to you. Thank you again for getting my book. Have a great day.